What is up, fellow adventurers? It is me, Hudson, with Hudson's Fishing Adventures, and today we have another awesome video for you guys. So the other day, we went surf fishing and built a DIY beach pond in Port Aransas, Texas. And on the way up there, we stopped at my granddad's house in Port Aransas, Texas, and had a crawfish boil and went on a quick fishing trip. And we filmed it all, and we're going to throw you back to all that footage right now.
Closer.
Down in Port Aransas, Texas, and we have some big old crawfish. It's really late in the season, but we were able to find a 30-pound bag. And because it's so late in the season, they are monsters. And as much as I love crawfish, I have a lot that we catch in the rivers that I love to keep as pets, but some are meant for eating. So we're gonna go show y'all over here. We have a big pot with some boiling water. We're gonna throw some sausage, corn, potatoes, seasoning in. I got my little friend who's carrying around, but it's gonna be pretty awesome. Stay tuned.
Closer.
One eternity later.
It's the hookup, but we got a big black tip reef shark on a line boat. Here we go, we got a shark.
Go next.
We got a shark.
A few moments later.
Hey you guys, we just got hit with a big tropical storm. As you can see, it's somewhat passed over, but it's still raining. And we found a back lake, and we're still fishing. Hey, you guys, using up our last couple shrimp, and look what I just caught off this old pier.
Pull it up here and lay it on the deck.
A giant eel, silver eel. Look at that! Look at the teeth on that.
Closer.
Our pond is almost done. Our DIY beach pond, we're just installing a little bit of aeration so we can enjoy our fish in here for a little while. We don't have to worry about them not having any oxygen. So we're just covering up the piping right now so it looks real nice. And then it should be done. Let's keep going. I just cast netted about another half a dozen mullets. One giant. We're gonna go ahead and release them all in the pond. Bunch of mullets. Some might jump out, so we have to be on guard.
Up. Up.
Hey you guys, we just finished our brand new DIY beach pond. And I just wanted to let all y'all know that we took our pond liner back home, put all the sand and plants back where they were, and released all the mullet. I love fish and never leave one behind. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video.
Closer.